So this video is all about your privacy, and privacy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, you might be using the UC browser or some third-party application that are developed by Chinese developers or probably from China. UC browser was the biggest that got discontinued from Play Store. So many things happen with UC thing, and right now the OnePlus is right into the loop. Well, how you can get the privacy and get the security from this particular browser? There are two ways. One is manual, one is not manual, that is basically maintained by a third-party application known as Redmove that I'll be talking about in upcoming chapter. This is the way that I showed right now on this particular screen. So if you want to follow that thing and you want to use UC browser, you can simply follow that thing and use UC browser right now, or you can simply uninstall it if you don't want to use the browser and you don't want to get tracked or get somebody to spy on it, because UC browser definitely spies on you and pick your data and save it to their servers, or they particularly use that thing for different things. That I think that is way more the biggest concern of an Indian user or any other user that right now using the UC browser. UC browser might give you some speed or etc, but I don't use UC browser. Okay, so this is the application that I will be talking about, Redmove. It's the application that creates a firewall between the phone and the internet server, which basically saves and make sure that your phone is particularly secured. It shows you everything that right now is happening with your phone. It shows you which application made which activity and which activity is required or which is not. You can simply block those things if you want to block one by one, or this application will do the job for you. So basically there are two options. You can either use the application free for 21 days, or you can buy a license that will cost you around 50 Indian rupees. That is very low, I think. Anybody can buy this thing. If you want a security, you can download the application from the Play Store, and I'll be giving you 5 licenses for this application. If you like, share and subscribe this video with your friends, and let's see which user require this thing and which user wants this thing very much. So everybody is well aware of security and privacy thing, because I want my security and I don't want to get tracked. Whatever you type on Google keyboard is getting tracked by Google too, but Google has some positive motives that Google use your privacy data and everything that you type on your smartphone just to improve it. But what user does, or what other companies does, probably to sell the data. Probably hackers can breach into your device by using that thing, or in UC browser servers, or whatever the third party applications makes. With this application, what you can do is you can turn off the mobile data, you can turn off the mobile access. I know there is a specific term and function in our Android settings, but this application makes that thing handy. You can simply turn off that thing, turn on that thing. Like, I don't want to give this particular application a proper mobile or Wi-Fi enability, then I'll just disallow it. I'll just make that thing sure that it won't make the internet connection with the particular application. And there are so many options in this application. It will also show you that which application using which API and on which time, when how much time that application actually used. And basically what this application does is it will show you everything that right now happening with your phone. Even it will give you the notifications like this thing is on high level risk, this thing on is low level risk, and etc, and you can get it know if you install the application and check out this thing. So these are the permissions that UC browser asks, phone permission, record audio, and etc. You don't even know how many permissions UC browsers asked. Even Facebook too does that, but Facebook has some positive reasons for positive things that it want to improve Facebook and user experiences. That's totally okay if we say our data is secure. There is a Sentinel option. Like in this option you can enable detection, disable alerts, disable usage states, whatever you want to. And at the bottom there is a Sentinel dashboard. On dashboard you can check out which thing happened and how many things happened. All you have to do is just install the application, check out the things, scan your complete phone, check every application, check live tracking, check everything. Just spend at least 10 or 30 minutes with the application so that you can get to know about privacy and security more. Simple as that. Everybody loves his or her own privacy. We can trust or uninstall application. Phone is the biggest thing that right now has everything that you are doing in your daily life. Like every single second is getting tracked on your smartphone, every single second. So what you can do is create a firewall and check out everything, scan every single application. If you want to know more about this thing, you can particularly DM me or text me on Facebook, Instagram, anything you want to connect with me, or even you can use the email too. And at the end, I would like to say that thank thank you so much guys for spending your time here and stopping by here on this video, because that was so hard to add every single feature of this application, because this is one of the biggest thing right now happening in India or in this internet. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one with some next trick. See you soon.